Hello, I'm Kendra. I'm the founder of Skin Silhouette. We specialize in offering high quality skincare products. When it came to design our Shopify store and enhance our SEO, we chose Next Gen Systems, and we are so happy that we did. The Next Gen Systems team not only took the time to understand our business needs, but they also ensured that our website design aligned perfectly with our branding. Their excellent attention to detail, excellent communication, and just commitment to following our vision really made the entire process smooth and enjoyable. If you're looking for a team that's committed, that's skilled, that's responsive, I really can't recommend the Next Gen team enough. They really help to transform our digital landscape, and they can do the same for you.